Introducing the best comedian that ever walked this planet, Mr. White. How you doing?
No.
Mr. White.
Ngilove on Friday. Yey, ngathi ngibulela umuntu.
You don't understand the impact.
Izolo ukhumutso bekangekho. Abe ku right.
For 2 days.
For 2 days.
No, but Ukhumutso was still here. You still heard
when
her voice.
When on Monday, I was for obvious reasons. Asikbuze thina.
What do you mean for obvious reasons on Monday? I'm always here every Monday.
After 7. Angathi uyazi usakapha ekseni. Go indulge weekend. Go indulging.
Yakapha.
Yeah. Ngobona mo cup. Yazi cup eyi uthanda uyiwathi. Let's get kuluka beer ne whiskey yonke.
Why ubheka abantu bagabha yiwena?
Ngikhulela Thembisa kokwami yabeka. Phela ekhaya ngikhuleka ku 4 room house. And mangithi 4 room, I don't mean 4 bedroom. I mean 4 room. Dining room, kitchen. I-room la kokwami la kamama. Bengila no kokwami ngoba umkhulu wami bebuka umuntu. Bebangazwani ngathi no kokwami. Bekana kulala phansi umkhulu wami uthi. Kokwami hlopha hayi namhlanje.
No, man.
What's that? Oh, mother way. This is wrong, man. This is wrong.
Yeah, so you must come to work.
I'm here. Sure, bro. Oh, yesterday you're talking about a school in Meadowlands. Esani?
Oh, yes, circumcision, yes.
Meadowlands?
Yes.
Marawai.
Yeah.
Can you imagine that school? Ekasi. Lendezale esigangeni. Yeah, singaboni umuntu nihlale ngamadoda ufunda ubudoda bakho bese uyabuya. Meadowlands ungabona umuntu okwenza uphethe ibhabhalazi. Ngabe uhlele stupid ex girlfriend yakhe uthi hawu mzwandile uzosika hey finally
No, man.
bese sikhathele pump action kudu lokho ya bridge akube ngasilahla amatende sizwe ke kanti uphapha kanje ekasi akuna secret ekasi hey nizwile wozani uzabona ubani Israel umzandile uyaseka emsize bese ngihlela phala nje bahome man zokusendela WhatsApp nale atheni sikayi next mongena oh mntana ka Tom ngoba kuyankolota wasana let's la
Oh, no, man.
You were talking about it yesterday. Let's say ngibona. Uphapha kanje sana elithama lakho liblo nalofanele lize la.
No, it does sound strange right in the middle.
Meadowlands, elokishini bro, elokishini. Thina sazi le ama-out ahambe for over 2 months.
Yeah.
Abuya amadoda aqinile and babathengela imbheda ngithi bona bayela ama double bed vele umuntu abuye bamthengela i double bed. Otherwise mangana double bed kufanele ukuthi awuyanga ndawo.
Yeah.
Told double bed ne headboard ne wardrobe bakunikeze impahla nengoba eziningi ezinye zasekazi ezinju ngeke ngikhuluma amagamazi bezimfishane zingaka. Masibuya bengathi basithengela ama short amabhruka abo so. Nginto amashort angaka hayi wena. Abantu abadala into lethi. Emeadowlands. I saw it by force Ashim.
Well, it's almost the same story as the guy who unfortunately went in at the right place, and then the circumcision went horribly wrong.
Package.
Yeah. Fortunately for him, there was a doctor who was experimenting with the stuff. So a patient who was dying donated his penis to this guy. It was put on successfully, but the problem was he used it too quickly. Now the wife is pregnant.
That's stunning.
With a borrowed penis.
Thaba ngimithi. Ngani ngalento zakho ngiyabolekisana wena. Yena kusumntana wakho ke kutshela into ongayazi. Ukuphapha kusumntana wakho umenze ngani wena? Ayinto zakho basikile siselela sisel khona. Ngifuna ubaba lo mntwana mina. Ushonile angicela imali zakhe. Mhlawumbe unewili, mhlawumbe nje umuntu umithise umuntu onewili.
Ungabazi noma azofuna imali zakhe.
Edlala eka. Ngimithi. Ingawi ke lena. Mara kumnandi ekasi kumnandi but only talking about the Twitter and people that are quiet on Twitter.
Yes, people who subtweet.
You say Dr. Minga doesn't say anything on Twitter. What
Minga?
do you want him to say? First of all, this is the thing about tweet. Abantu abakhuluma kakhulu njengami nawe and other people baya tweet. By tweet. The way khuluma ngakhona the way Twitter ngakhona. Dr. Minga unokufika la Thursday. Hey, just like I'm telling you, like this is the thing about it drop is a sexual transmitted disease. And we told her, like, this is the thing. Also Twitter teen lo baba. And if I Nikorobela, Ikorobela accent zethu thina. You see when you're in the suburbs, it's not for us. It's for election, you see. I don't understand when I pop. You need to go to also tweet at team. Can you imagine what the speaker is tweeting when? Oh yeah. Retweet. 120,000 followers. He doesn't tweet anything.
Oh yeah.
Once in a while. Oh yeah. Sisa Komora boy. Yes. 15 yes.
Oh shame, man.
No, there's people that are quiet. Ufuna bathini. About ngicabanga khona imagine Oskid cannot tweet. Oskid akakhuluma.
Yeah.
Oskid has a radio show. Beck announces every song done. 2 hours. It is a song. You know this. Ufuna thini maka tweet. No tiro. Chiki. Ngilubheka ama-tweet kaMoji wonke. Moji, how old are you? Siyagibela boy. Imhlolo yethu.
He is going up that mountain.
Angazi mina wenzani abanye abantu.
Right,
good. But why kuyabantu abafundile lapha kule mountain? Ujeri khuluma isilungu. Hey, you know this proverb. You know what I'm saying, dog. We're doing this thing today. Moji. Ake bathola umzwandile selokishini. Bandwane khuphathi. La. Ngikhuphe today. Manje sibiya kanjani? So dlani lephezulu.
Umane bakhuthuza umzwandile.
Abangumzwandile yakhuphuka ngapha bhadala ngasabantu bathi hamba vele dala ufuna ukubaleka hamba phela kwenteni yazi ukukhuphuka intaba la endlini imali support lutho but good luck to him and they're saying they're doing it for Mandela. Why bafethu why manje yazulela akalala utata kayi1 bafethu ake utata cabanga utata ngabe bekaphila uzani we are climbing the mountain for what? Why are you doing this to us? 27 years in the mountains. Why? And utata ukuthi yazi ngamalanga akho kugcina bese kakhohlwa yonke into uza which mountain? Oh, is Oliver gonna be there? Winnie.
You were in Durban over the weekend, the past weekend.
No more.
You were in that marquee with celebrities. Who did you spot there?
Everyone from Isibaya. Was
all the Zulu drummers.
Yeah, it was nice. Usimpiwe from Umvanga. She's beautiful. Who
is that?
Usimpiwe. Angithi Umvanga ngwazi mina bathi actor Umvanga athi uyalo. Angithi asi Umvanga uyaza ubukela ufunde wenza into eyi1. So ngithanda ukufunda mina kuMvanga. Angibukela. No one knows their characters. Okay. Ubani undarama wena? Kokeni namhlanje. No one knows, like Umvanga, like, yeah, and then people were there, we're having fun, and they were artists, they performing. But what was funny was, nenye out behind Umntwana. True story. So Umntwana ungena toilet. Mara Umntwana ngathi ufuna ukubaleka nenye bar. So le bar afuna ukubaleka nayo imemva kwe toilet. Yabona lama mobile toilets. So le sister ngathi ufuna ukuphuma ngefasteri. She's stuck efasterini. Akakhona ukuphumela ngalo. Le bar imele ayazi urimdonse. Yazi yenzani? Yabiza umuntu olomntwana ozongibonisa something ngapha pheka nomuntu stakile.
No, come on.
Bro, inyani yangaphanya. Kritwa security. Bamdonsa le athi then baxabana naye baqhubeka. But it was nice Durban man. Afuneka abanye bebayelaphana namaroko. I saw umuntu there. Wearing the same dress she was wearing metric dance yakhe. Same dress metric dance unveiling ele anto se Stratton senu 7 July. Lela roko libonile imihlolo shem. La likhona lithi kaze kushona bani ngike. La likhona lihleli kanje lithi yo final ngaze ngidala kwakunini ngigqoko. Impahla sikhuluma uthi hey again. Impahla besikhuluma ha. Overall EFF ngabithi awana khathe. Bring back again. Hayi. No. People are nice there. Bafaka amasudu abanye bawabolekile. Isudu ayibolekile. Ubani weyiphuza ngakhona nobhema ngakhona. Uphuza kanje. Like uzinika space mayingasha. Now kwaye ngibhema. Awudoni proper bakabhema. Hayi bolekile. Ufuna into zabe Rose Bank this week. Yeah, it's a nice suit. Yeah, it's nice. Hey, don't touch. I'm not going to make you hack. I was like, hey, what are you doing? why abantu abafaka amasudu bathanda ukukhuluma isilungu and abanye babuye lokushini uyabazi uthi mara uma umntwana uza hey what are you doing man what are you doing here man all right yes. Come on man you know this you know that I don't know anything I don't know come on man this lady say hey bahla abantu eDurban bengiphethe intamo ngilo ngenza kanje ubheka ngapha nangapha ngathi ngakhohlwa ukuthi nginomuntu empilweni yami my California ithi baby ngithi ufunani ukubona ukuphela umuntu wakhe inhliziyo uthi mama uthi yini athi ngangithethisa ungalingi ngithethise ke bayagcekeza la endlini njengoba unisemadeben uthi mara kanjani abathathe ngizobona next week angeke.
Set Your Mind to It, Larry Heard. It's an incredible song.
Lalela lengoma singomanyana leza manje.
Shumai.
Hey, yabona mangaze ngokuthi lalela brother I understand serious. Ezimangaze ngokuthi shumai ngiyazidubula mina uzobona. Like ngiyazidubula ngidle poison ngapha ngizihengile. Ngenza show ngiyashona. Shumai yeah. Hey ngi right le ngoma ngizwi weekend yonke. Unazi umngana molahlekela ifoni la shumai. Yazi shumai njani? Ikazowenza izinto ezirong. Shumai bamba. Bachela yakupha Shumaya yeah nabo mama badala Shumaya ngi right yo brother mangeze Shumaya serious nazo ngiyozihenga ngidle poison alpirim mangicede lapho ngifonele ex yami mara yini ngoba sorry ngicela spam ubona nama ka Oscar tu ngicela nama ka Oscar yabuya wanza nginikezele spam adubule ngaso la sisi nami ngizenze pizza ngeke ngasidubula kayi4 sela ngasidubula kayi4 inhloko mina etwa ukuthi ngingafi lo Shumaya
Was it Tutu?
Wasidubula
wena brathi beke kulunga wena eDurban ngalobo umnyama bakho bayashisa lapha na abadlali baba iza ngaphi awuthi sheleni askes ethi randi nithini ufuna nithini but qala parafini ethi land amiyazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani but nango munye abahambile sebalethe eJavan July bashisa ethi land aniyazi ukuthi mthini ufuna ukuchisa futhi istrike sase Midlands sase kubla lapha eRankuwa eMamelodi silast one day but ama taxi driver khona amapilo uyabona ukuthi rebela ka usani abo because it's like 2 weeks mpucha fela ngiruthi konto ari strike yawubona nakaskhona eJozi strike asilapho baba hambe ngeenyawo amapela ne order the strike one day come so ratswara again hulukile aba lento lestrike la bayitholanga namanje amazulu abadlala lalela kulento nje ngayishayela le moto kodwa sisilikeile mama ngidubula uthathe imali yami yonke uyicheckise lapha ufuna checking isala awuthiliwe yena thatha checking unikeze ke uNdlovu umtshela ukuthi basidubuleleke hayi sereka ngenkani lana laka ngenkani lana mangabe la bantu mangabe yamiswa le moto vele ngiphuma yishiya bazayibona laba ke laba xosa gcwela etata ngizisa ligcwele ixhosa etata uchuba le taxi sawufela lapha ubani obekhuluma nawe ubani othe kuyefakaza wena into ekhona lalela Ndlovu mangabe saphuma nisisilikeile yaphuma basidubula ke yaphuma la moto mina phela ngiphuza imbiza zami ekseni mina angidubuleke mina uyakaza ngithi uphele bemphethe bathi badubuleke ngila uzothi tsonga budame ngomela kuyahlala la mina ngomela kusala la renkeni awehlekela kule moto mohla kule moto uyabhadala awehli nje ungena yaphuma yini upayitile na upayitile ukhathile ngana phuma la yaba usasathutsula la yadlala bro